300K starting salaries, 900K compensation at OpenAI, and 2.7 billion just to rehire an AI genius. Why do AI ML engineers get paid so well? My name is Dev, and in less than a month, I'll be finishing my master's degree in ML. I've also been teaching at GPT Learning Hub for the past year. I want to quickly go over why big tech is pouring billions into AI. Comes down to two reasons. First, they simply can, so why not? This comes down to how profitable software in general is. The average engineer at Google, for example, brings in about $2 million in annual profit for the company. That's why the company can afford to pay each employee hundreds of thousands of dollars every year and still keep billions in profit for the top shareholders. Software is also extremely competitive, with new startups being created every week. For companies to keep their competitive edge, they need to hire top talent, and the best way to attract top talent is to keep the pay range competitive. The most extreme example of this actually happened just a few months ago. Google paid almost $3 billion to rehire Noam Shazir, one of the key inventors of the transformer neural network that powers every single LLM. He left Google to build his own company a few years ago, but Google recently decided to reinvest into his talent. All of these companies, not just Google, are betting that AI will eventually print billions and even trillions, and that these investments will pay off. That brings us to reason number 2. Big tech companies are speculating on the future. AI, specifically generative AI, is not the most profitable at the moment, but executives and researchers both believe that it will be highly profitable in the future. One of the most extreme examples of this is OpenAI. They reported a $5 billion loss this year, and they have no plans to stop building and developing new models. Inventors are continuing to pour billions into OpenAI as well. The bottom line here is that software is extremely profitable, so companies can easily afford to pay engineers the big bucks. They're also betting on the future of AI and taking on a bit of risk. I'll finish out this video with my general recommendations for breaking into ML engineering. There are an extensive amount of ML concepts that you'll need to be familiar with. You shouldn't be satisfied building ChatGPT wrappers, and you need to have a natural curiosity about how models actually work. As far as education goes, you don't need a master's degree, but it will help, and you'll also be able to gain more internship experience before you start working full-time. If you're not interested in a master's, no worries, you can still succeed in ML, but be prepared to self-study a wide range of material. If you're still in undergrad, I strongly recommend getting involved with a professor's research lab, since this will definitely stand out when applying to internships. The good news is that they don't expect you to have significant experience, and you can learn on the job. Lastly, software engineering is a major component of ML engineering. In interviews, you can be tested on data structures and algorithms, as well as system design. Understanding system design will also pay off on the job, whether you're in software or ML engineering. In fact, software engineering is so central to ML engineering that an entirely reasonable path is to first work as a software engineer and then transition to ML engineering. Experience can substitute for a degree, so this approach is ideal if you're apprehensive about graduate degrees. Best of luck with your ML engineering journey. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you soon.